Hey, thanks for stopping by. My name is Mitch. I'm with Mitchell Wu Toy Photography, and today I'm going to be showing you how I create a couple of my favorite practical effects. First, I'm going to be showing you how to create some really dynamic water splashes using this cool set here. And then I'm going to be coming over here to this set and showing you how I create a really dynamic burst of dirt and debris to really push the action of what's happening here. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and pour some water into the scene. Okay, next we take our compressed air. Okay, I moved over to the second set. Let's create a blast of dirt and debris to really make it look like these tentacles are squirming around. So the final stage of my process is editing each image using my Intuos tablet and pen tool. My Intuos tablet and pen tool are an important part of my creative process and touch every image I create. A huge thank you to my friends at Boss Fight Studio for the crazy toys seen in this video. See the promo code in the caption below for 10% off these and other toys.